It's been a minute since we've seen Whangaumu packed like this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You be my blood, yeah. Oh, you be my blood.
Yo, what's up my Shaded Atua? We're back at it again with another Shaded Vlog, Shaded Adventures, and we are here.
We're at Whangaumu today.
Yeah, we're at Whangaumu and Honey and Baby just went for a swim. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna get the drone out there, man. So yeah, let's go into the sky. Dope, I just finished the swim. I'm just over there playing on the swing, and yeah, I'm just getting the shirt on because it's getting quite nippy. People's just starting to leave. Oh, hang on, real quick. That's better. Nice and warm. Peep out the brand, man. Maori Moana Adventures. Love the brand. And at the back there's a fire there. Actually want a tattoo of a fire on my back. That'll be quite nice here, to be honest. But yeah, I think it's time for pack up, honey. I think we're packing up now. We packing up, baby. Alright, packing up. Leave it out. Oh, yo, that was so dope, man. We're all packed, ready to go hit the road. There were so many people here, man. Ain't been like that in a long minute, but I guess it's because it's hitting summer, so I hope summertime, baby. You know what it is. It's our favorite, man. What's your fella's favorite season, man? You know, some people like winter. I do myself too, because it's like it's easy to warm yourself up, you know what I mean? But I also do love the summer. But I just wanted to let you all know, I hope all you Atua are staying beautiful, staying blessed, staying creative, staying manifesting all those dreams that you all have, because there's no limits out there, you know what I mean? Winter on top? Yeah. If you think it's winter, put it up there. Autumn's also nice, so is spring, you know what I mean? Look at this tree here. I don't know if you've noticed in the last couple of vlogs when we were last here in Whangaumu, these leaves weren't even here, you know what I mean? That's also another way to tell a native tree to a, you know, a foreign tree, so to speak. A native tree doesn't lose its leaf. Little quick fact right there. But yeah, hope you're all staying beautiful. Hope you've had a beautiful weekend and rejuvenated your wairua and replenished your, you know, your wairua. Any energy that's not benefiting you, wash that all away. We've just had our wash away and our replenish and our cleansing. And yeah, kaupapa for this week. Learn to not attach yourself to anything. So you know, don't detach yourself. They say you have to empty the cup in order to refill it, yeah? So the one thing that you could be holding on to could be the same thing that's slowing the process down for you to acquire that goal. Yeah? Does that make sense? I don't know. Was it just a bit of a off the dome, off the cranium, off the bit of a freestyle swimming? I don't know what it is. It's breaststroke, but you know the kaupapa.
It's like when you've been in the job for a really long time and you know that it's time to move on, but you're too attached to it, so you stay there and you stay in like a
and the actual opportunity is just around the corner at a restaurant, or you might have a whānau hui or a whānau kai, and some of your whānau might know somebody or somebody, but yeah, just be aware of all opportunities out there, because there's no limits, you know? And just detach yourself from anything, especially ego-driven things, you know what I mean? Because you know the kaupapa, keep feeding your wairua.
Not your ego.
Ain't nobody do it like you. Been through it rough, tells me there's still things that you fight through. Awaken your true self that's inside you. Your mind is always gonna be the right tool. People capping finna always have it.